Welcome back. Welcome back at Temper Crypto TV. We are live one more time on a Monday evening. We are live here at Temper Crypto TV. We are back with so much news. The markets are happy. The atmosphere is happy. It's a new month. It's February, the month of love. Everything is lovely. Everything is lovely on this period. So yeah, welcome back. What we just have to do, please let's invite all our friends, our colleagues. Let's bring them onto the show so that this information that we are about to unpack today is not going to fail on a few people, but it's gonna be absorbed by the community, by the majority. So share this live broadcast to everyone in your circle. Just on your device there where you're watching this show, there is a share button. Just press that share button and let everyone know that we are live. Stone,
Yes,
how are you, my
Mr.
man? What's happening? How's been the weekend?
Yeah, I had a lovely weekend, man. Feeling a bit lovely even now, but it's a Monday. I have to deliver the show. Of course, good evening to our fellow listeners here in Africa and abroad. Yeah, man, these are exciting times, like you said. The market looks healthy.
I'm sure what contributed to your happiness is like you kept on checking the markets and you saw it was still green and it made you more happier and happier over
Yeah,
the
man.
weekend.
Yeah, of course, because like on Friday, I had a prediction that the market will do well on the weekend, and it did exactly that, and it continues to do so even now on a Monday. You see, so having accurate predictions can also make you happy as well, because there are a lot of people who are watching the show, and it also will satisfy them that your prediction can be accurate. It's quite satisfying also to know that to understand all of that stuff.
Great stuff, great stuff. Yeah, welcome back, everyone. We are live via Temper Crypto TV. As usual, please, guys, let's make use of the comment section. Do let us know where you're watching this live broadcast from. Let us engage. If you've got some questions, if you've got something that you want us to discuss, or you've got something that you don't understand about the market, maybe you want to learn about a certain feature on the market, let us know. And do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go over onto our YouTube channel and subscribe. Find Empire Crypto TV and subscribe. Every time we go on, you get that notification that we are live. Then you join us. Oh, yes, you can see the markets are green, but let's start at the top. The market cap. What do you say about the market cap? Back to it's
Two
on it
trillion.
from
Back to
1.5, 1.8, now it's
2.6.
2
Yeah.
trillion.
Yeah, in fact, this 2 trillion market cap just entered right now, maybe 30 minutes ago, because 30 minutes ago it was like 1.8, 1.9, but now it's quickly going to 2 trillion. That is a very fast move, according to my analysis in the market cap. That shows the volatility of the cryptocurrency themselves. Very volatile, I must say.
On Monday we did. Sorry, it was on Friday when we had some
Friday,
concerns about
it
the
was
market cap.
1.6.
It was
Yes,
1.6, and we're like, why is
yes.
it not going up as much
Up,
as the
yes.
market is
Uh,
going up?
of course. Of course, but things just change over the weekend. Like I said, it's a good thing that we had a accurate prediction on Friday, saying that we're gonna be experiencing a bull market. You remember now, on January there was a lot of shift of going back and forth with the market between the bullish and the bearish, having sideways trends, just keep on creating that bearish trend over time. And you must remember, people were coming from the holidays, people were coming from whatever festive season journeys that they were having in December, and people cashed out of their monies. But now it looks like it's February, and it looks like things like are back to business, that as usual.
Yeah, we see Bitcoin also crossing over, not only crossing 40,000 US dollars, but making some major moves. I mean, looking at looking at it trading at 43,700 US dollars, which is 5% in the last 24 hours and 15% in the last 7 days.
Mm.
Looking at the number two, which is Ethereum, Ether, trading at 3,129 US dollars, moving up 4% in the last 24 hours and 18% in the last 7 days. These are massive move, man. These are a
Massive
major
moves,
move that we've been expecting. But of course,
of
this is
course.
the market. We've been calling these numbers for some time, but here we are. This market is alive. Of course, like we always say, the market goes down, the market goes up. Even if it goes down, there are people who are making money when the market is going down. But of course, I know the majority, they want the market just to stay green, just to keep going up.
Mm. No, that is just another way of looking at it. Market goes up and then it comes down again. But this bullish trend is quite powerful. It's not just an accidental bullish trend, because there's also a repetitive market patterns that have occurred, which is the bullish checkmate, which I've discussed a number of times before. But this one, looking at it for a daily chart, which a daily chart, each candlestick forms in a day, and some coins like ADA are still, in their infancy of these market formations or market trends that are regularly repetitive at times, showing a very strong sign that we could be having a very bullish week, not only for the BTC, but also we're going to be having a bullish trend as well for other smaller coins. Okay, if you may allow me to delve into the
Okay,
technical
just
bit.
a minute before you got there. All right, yes, our finally, as the demand from our viewers, everyone in the crypto space, our academy, trading academy, is finally alive, finally live. You can actually come into the trading academy, and then let's help you start making money. Let's help you trade better, because people have been asking, people have been inboxing, where can I learn about trading in depth? How can I empower myself with that trading strategies? And this is where we are. Finally, we give you that opportunity to come and learn with us at Empire Crypto TV. We've got an academy where you can start learning about trading. The good part about our academy is that we go straight into the numbers. We don't take you east, west, coast, whatever. We take you straight to the numbers, straight to trading, straight to learn about trading, straight to making money. This is our academy. So yes, you can always go onto our website then, www.empirecrypto.com, or there is a number there. Unfortunately, I see it's hidden there, but there is a number there that you can WhatsApp and then get involved on our crypto academy. Let's make money. This is 2022, the year to make real money. Oh yes.
Yes, yes, yes. 2022. Very lucrative year. Speculations are high this year. People are anticipating what's going to happen on the market. So could it be the time that I can dive into the market right now so that I can
Yeah,
just
let's show us what we have there. How's the market performing, and what do you have? We see that you want us to discuss about so many projects coming into the space, and of course, we talk about people becoming millionaires in this space.
about that, it's something that I want to bring up about millionaires. There are millionaires. There were times when people became millionaires because of Bitcoin. Then it went down. They became millionaires because of Ethereum. As Ethereum went stronger, and people became millionaires with the Doge coins. Now people are becoming millionaires with NFTs and other new projects. And not only Bitcoin is a millionaire maker in the crypto space, but other smaller coins that were once cheap before with a high and rising up and coming market. Like now, for instance, I'm looking at the new support level here in the cryptocurrency or in the Bitcoin, which is $35,000 per coin. And this market trend or market formation that has formed, these are repetitive patterns that are well known by traders. This is a bullish checkmate. This trend that has just formed has like also gave me a signal or a sign that we are heading for a very strong bullish week. If not, I don't know, maybe something maybe will happen or somebody might say something about cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin, but technically speaking, when I'm looking at this trend, I'm looking at the daily chart right now. And the daily chart right now has a very strong influence on the market because this is not your intraday markets like your 15-minute chart or your 1 day chart. We are talking about the daily chart here. Now, looking at this candlestick forming now, right now is a very powerful candlestick. We are looking at $43,000 per coin, and my new support level right there at $15,000, $35,000 per coin. And of course, trying to make people understand this bullish checkmate that I'm talking about. There are a lot of people that may think that, these trends are just formed right here on the show, but they are very old. There is a bearish one, then there's a bullish one, the one that we are experiencing. It has its own support level as well, like here on the text. In the patterns that have been presented thus far, a simple concept should be emerging. When a long week appears in the context of a trend, it often signals a potential reversal of that trend. So we saw also a reversal as well, but this reversal one is a bullish reversal. So we're gonna just read in bullish checkmates. The opposite occurs. Typical. Okay, let me just. I wanna go to checkmates. Okay, just in general, what are bullish checkmates occur when price becomes locked in a narrow trading range, proceeding reversal direction. So it was locked looking at the daily chart, of course, because it was locked for a long time. These are many days. So each candlestick represent a day, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, more than 10 days where the market was locked in, including last week. Then it broke off through, and then when you see that breakout is a very strong signal that we'll be experiencing a strong bullish trend as we are experiencing right now in the crypto space as well. Take a look close at this. You have this bullish candlestick forming here, and then a smaller bearish candlestick just forming. Similar trend that has formed with the cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. Small bearish candlestick that formed after a strong bullish candlestick. And then not only just the Bitcoin, but also ADA coming with a strong um, also a bullish checkmate, which is still forming. This now it's a 1 hour, it's a 1 day chart as well. This is one of the coins that a person can take an advantage and buy this coin because this bullish checkmate is still it's in infancy or it's still in its beginning stages. As you see, the Bitcoin it's almost there on its last stages and it's still gonna go on stronger. And I can say it's in its intermediate stages of this bullish checkmate. But if you look at ADA, it's in its beginning stages of this, so it's still gonna have that. So if a trader comes in and buys the ADA, most probably they will be profiting. And of course, not only ADA, XRP as well, Ripple. Also, today Ripple was the highest gainers of all cryptocurrencies. It gained more than Bitcoin. Even the news came up about XRP coming up as the strongest gainers of cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. The story goes on to say XRP becomes a 24-hour top gainer with a 28.2% surge. This is Ripple, and has come up with 28.2% increase in. So what you think, Mr. Mapi? I know you're one of the people that also invest in these smaller Nyana coins. Ripple has quite stepping up. Wouldn't you say that?
Look, Ripple, for now, look, I wouldn't really say it has, look, done anything out of line. But of course, the move, the 18% move and 31% for the week, it's massive. Looking at how the market fought, but for Ripple, I've one of the Ripple holders, back holders of Ripple. I've got so many XRPs as well.
Mm,
So I'm expecting big moves. I'm expecting XRP to surpass $1 to go to $2, $3, $5. This is what I'm expecting. And of course, with the fundamentals at the present moment, they are in the situation of
mm,
the
mm,
courts.
mm.
There are some court cases against
Yeah.
XRP, but of
Wow.
course, once these situations come to pass, and they are positive on Ripple, it's gonna actually
Mm,
fly high. We're gonna
mm,
see $3, $4, $5
mm.
in the near
Yeah.
future,
Yeah.
depending on the outcome of the
Yeah.
court cases against
Yeah.
Ripple. But yeah,
Yeah,
look,
man.
for the time being, while the market is still like up and down, shaking up and down, these are good
Yeah.
moves. We can still, be happy with the positive
Yeah.
growth that is giving us.
Yeah, talking about Ripple, you say that if it can reach up to $1 per Ripple, just above $1. Ripple was one of the cryptocurrencies that was performing very well. Now that you mentioned that there were court cases against it, and now we have seen a drastic bearish turn for it, and and before this, before it became so weak, Ripple was trading at $1.3 highest point, not so long ago, back in November. But now you're looking at Ripple now at this point today. Now it's just 0.7, so just below the dollar. But now there is a possibility that it may go back to $1 per coin, because it was one of the biggest gainers. Maybe I can assume these court cases that you speak of have finally been settled, maybe, but of course, also another thing that I want to look at or like to share. These are the five most promising crypto coins of the year. Okay, there's an article that came out, five most promising new cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. So look out for these five new cryptocurrencies to buy, which will also do a follow up. Okay, we have Lucky Block. Okay, the most promising Lucky Block overall best new cryptocurrency to invest in 2022. These are new projects, by the way. And then you have Binance Coin. Binance Coin has been making rounds, of course, looking at it also on the platform, and of course, and then you have Shiba. I know you are also a big fan of Shiba. Most popular cryptocurrency to buy this year. It is popular. Also, you also have popularized the number of time during the show. Cosmos, most promising cryptocurrencies to buy right now. This one just caught my attention. If someone who've got some money right now, you can buy some Cosmos. And then you have Stellar, cross border payments network partnered with IBM. So this five new cryptocurrencies are the new cryptocurrencies to look for 2022, which is something. What do you think? Do you think that you can add something on that list? Maybe, Mr. Crypto King. Maybe that
Look,
five is even enough.
Look, Stella, it's been some years. Stella still playing, down there. So maybe this is an opportunity for Stella to start moving up. I also
Mm,
have some investments with Stella. So hopefully it's a period where it starts shaking up things, And of course, when you're talking of BNB, Binance Coin, this there's no doubt this is a gem. I mean, if you don't have BNB, it means you are still a newbie, or it
mm,
means then that your investment analysis is something else. I mean, these are some of the major coins that you can keep in
yes.
your portfolio. So yeah, looking at how they
Yeah.
swings and looking at the potential, looking at the use cases behind the projects, the ecosystem of Binance itself. It's
Mm,
massive.
mm,
It's going somewhere.
of course.
So you cannot
Yeah.
have a portfolio without these coins. But yeah,
Mm,
look, it's looking positive all round.
mm,
Of course, that's only five coins promising. There are so many of them that are out there that are promising. I remember we've got 14,000 cryptocurrencies in the space. So yeah, look, there are so many gems out there, so many good projects out there. But
mm.
these are the ones that we have been choosing. Yeah, of course, Shiba. Shiba has been pumping. It's only my I can't really pull out my system here is crashing. I can't really pull out um the graph or the chart for Shiba, but it has
Okay.
done massively well over the past week or over the past 24 hours. It's been,
Uh,
doing well. And it did well last year around August, September, October. It did some massive moves. It made people a lot of money. And
mm,
yeah, look, after then, we see so many other projects incorporating Shiba into their uh, businesses as a payment system, as a payment token. So
yeah.
hopefully it's gonna maintain the speed. Of course, look, there has been some talks, people saying these are meme coins, these are shit coins, these coins are not gonna go anywhere. But we've seen people making money with shit coins.
Yeah.
The market is still very much young.
Yeah.
Sometimes we tend to contradict ourselves. We tend to say things today, but come again tomorrow, we turn around and say something else. Even the XRP that we are talking about, there are so many people that says XRP is a bank coin. It's not a coin to be, it's not a project to be trusted. But we see so many people who heavily invested on the project. We see influencers. One of the
Mm,
guy that I follow is Benny Armstrong, which is a most famous YouTuber also. He's got a bags of XRP. So he recommends XRP. But look, this is the market. There are people who will be against a certain project, but there will be people who love that project. So either way, as long you're gonna make money in this market.
yeah. After weeks of seemingly unending downtrends, the crypto markets were largely given relief as cryptos rallied to reclaim their lost highs. Though the rally carried across the entire crypto market, meme, coin, Shiba. Okay, there's a Shiba chart right there. Okay, just having its own gains, something like 48.17%, having that bullish trend, of course, also the Shiba, and then also exceeding Dogecoin. Okay, so over the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu has gained more than 22% to hit 0.000, the number. They're performing its greatest rival, Dogecoin, which had gained 7% across same period. Talking about small projects, taking over the entire network. We talk about coins like Shiba as well. The story that also came up. It says an investor back in Amsterdam invested in some small coins or small projects back then, made him a millionaire. Um, uh, uh, they made millions on Luna, Solana, Polygon. Cryptos boomed beyond Bitcoin. The ranks of cryptocurrency speculators have swelled, with obscure tokens minting the newly wealthy, at least on a blockchain. So we're talking about guys coming up. This is the guy, the investor from from Amsterdam. Um, this man here like bought Shiba small. Back then, these coins were like not so much less than I think $1, if I should say, and. This gentleman here took an advantage back in the day. So we are some happy countries said Entian Vat Cry. I can't pronounce his name properly. It's Dutch, but I'll just say his name. His first name, Entienne, I think, if I'm not saying it correctly. Who bought the cryptocurrency Luna for 22.35 cents, a token at the time 2 years ago. Solana, which is well known. Okay, Entine, a globe trotting cryptocurrency investor from Amsterdam, was hunting for a new investment 2 summers ago when he met some early backers of Luna, a digital coin that offers a framework of decentralized finance. Impressed by their commitment to the project, he bought $25,000 of Luna for 22.35 cents a coin at that time. These days, despite a recent fall in cryptocurrency prices, the value of Luna coin is up to around $50. Okay, Mr. Van Kruijs, original investor, it's now worth about $5 million on paper. Okay, and then it goes on to say you have probably heard of Bitcoin, Ether, and even Dogecoin millionaires. But over the past 2 years, their ranks have rapidly expanded as speculators recorded huge profits from more obscure cryptocurrencies like smaller projects. People are becoming most millionaires in smaller projects, as I was saying earlier on, some with names that sound cribbed from the children's cartoon book. You remember some of the funny coins that we've been reading about on the talking about gaming tokens and all. They have other funding and Tarzan and all that stuff. They come from children's book, and then now there are Salona millionaires, Luna millionaires, and Polygon millionaires. How you how,
Look,
how you how you take that, man?
Look, there's no doubt cryptocurrency market at this point in time, it has created a lot of multi-millionaires. And of course, we have seen, developers, blockchain developers, crypto enthusiasts getting involved and appearing on Forbes magazine. We are in the Forbes magazine. We are in the circle of billionaires. Guys like CZ, guys like Sam Bankman, the Winklevoss twins. They're appearing on Forbes magazine just because of crypto. It fulfills the saying that the next set of trillionaires, I'll not say multimillionaires, and I'm not gonna say billionaires. I'm gonna say trillionaires. They're going to come from blockchain. They're going to come from cryptocurrency market. This is where the world is going. So yes, looking at people investing in smaller projects. Of course, someone might be coming into the space now. There's always that argument that says, can I still buy Bitcoin at these levels? Then other people say, no, you can buy these small coins, these small projects, these promising projects. Those are the projects that can give you 100x, 1000x, in the very near future. So, yeah, look, there is so much money to be made, and there's still very much opportunity in this market. The market is still young.
Mm, of course, man.
All
Okay,
right. Let me before then. Let me check here. I see I've
all
got a
comments.
comment here. Uh, Okay, I see Owen says he caught the dip heavy. All right. Yeah, he came here on the show a few weeks back when he says this is the best time to buy, and hopefully he filled these bags with some good projects. So yeah, he filled these bags with some good projects, and of course we go over. We see Jerome here says, "Well, I understand now. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully every day you are with us here. We are live every day at 7 p.m. Please do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can see there is our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV. There we share a lot of insights, signals, videos, all the information, all these videos that you watch here, you can find them on our YouTube channel. And of course, once you subscribe, you become part of the family. Whenever we've got some giveaways, you are part of the people who stand a chance to get the giveaways. So every time, anytime we can come up with some giveaways. So do not make yourself left behind. All right, Stone, what do
Yes.
we have there?
Of course, I'm also looking at the biggest gainers here on marketcap.com. Other project like Swag that are also coming up. I know you have mentioned this before. The market cap just above $2 trillion per 24 hours, and I don't know. Do you think it might go down, may go up? You'll never know. But anyway, let me not even ask that question because nobody really knows at this point in time. Because that 2 trillion market cap volume, you know, to be honest, I thought it was gonna stay there for quite a while, irrespective whether the market goes down or up. But I've learned something new then that even when the market goes down, because in forex you have a market cap of $4 trillion per day, and then now here in crypto you have 2 trillion, and it's the fastest growing market cap I've like in history, you know, and looking at forex, which came up back in 1976, is only reaching $4 trillion, and it's been there for a while. These are domestic currencies, cryptocurrencies in 2009, and now it's 2022, and we are back in 2 trillion marks right now, which is something is a powerful move, but it's also affected by the losses and gains of some of the coins or cryptocurrencies that we see. Well, these are some of the biggest gainers like Swag, you have MetaPlay, these are some of the projects that someone can look into and try to invest into them. I don't know if like out of all these new projects, which one do you think that bears the most profitable in your side? I know maybe people might have different opinions with different projects, but I would like to know, in your own opinion, like what do you think, which project in these new projects that are coming out, looking at these top five: MetaPlay, Dodge Colony, First 11, Green Trust, Marvin Inu, any one of them, do you think that you are familiarized with?
Look, I'll be honest with you. These are new projects. I haven't really looked into them, and of course, they just listed. But what I know about projects when they are listing on the exchanges, their volumes, they are they go high. Like you can see, Swag. Sweki there went is up 2036% in 24 hours. The next one, MetaPay, is 769%. These are new projects. When they get
Mm,
listed on exchanges, obviously they go up. They tend to go up. But of course, I wouldn't buy them at these levels. I'll wait for them to come down because they always do. They always come down. When they get listed, they go up, and then we have to wait for them to cool down. When they cool down, that's when you attack. That's when you get into the market. But what newbies do in the space, when they see a coin doing well, going up, being being bullish on that hour, on that day, they start buying thinking the coin is going to go up forever. No, you don't have to do that. Just wait for that coin, for that project. You are already late. Wait for that project to come down, to cool down. Once it has come down to the right levels, start buying it, even if you trust it. Because I've seen a lot of people, when they see a project going up, they feel like they've been left out. FOMO kicks in, fear of missing out. You do not have to be detected by such, actions. So, yes.
Yes, of course, man. Besides, the cryptocurrency space, there was these talks that, cryptocurrencies move alongside with the stocks, but I don't know how realistic is this because I'm looking at the stock right now on my crypto screener, looking at different types of stocks that are available. It's not looking as positive as we see on the marketcap.com. You know, all of a sudden, after the Reserve Bank has announced raising the interest rates. Just trying to get my stock screener here. On the stock screener, okay. Just looking at like top top stocks, top companies like your Microsoft, you're looking at your Facebook, you're looking at all of these stocks. You are also there when you heard about in Bloomberg. All of these market news. Talk about stocks, how they are tied up. But you look at the stock, look at the biggest stock, right? We know number one itself, Apple. It's at the negative. There is contradictions within it. There, some are red, some are green, but there's not much activity in the market that is happening within the stocks. I can look at some of the one Johnson and Johnson. It's just minus 22 right there. It's just getting some heavy knocks. But that's just to share. With the viewers, some of the markets that are taking place, because cryptocurrencies and stocks, they are very similar in a sense that when you are buying a cryptocurrency, you want it to appreciate. Also, you want to also see the stock price also appreciate, and in that sense, they also share a similar result. 172.15 US dollar per stock, which is available for the Apple brand, but taking a knock minus 14%. Yeah, for the day. But that is just something that I just want to show the viewers, just the difference between the stock and the cryptocurrencies. Like I don't know what to think about that because last week really, there were rumors saying, but you see the cryptocurrencies, the market is all green and it's all healthy. You know what I'm saying?
Well, there are times when it moves together, but there are times when it does the
It
opposite.
doesn't
It
move together,
depends. Look,
yeah.
the cryptocurrency market has got its own fundamentals, and
Yeah.
of course, the stocks also have got its own fundamentals. When someone comes on the crypto side and speak about crypto, fundamentals happen about crypto. Obviously, the cryptocurrency market is gonna um, uh, you know, um, react differently. Like currently, what we see now, the cryptocurrency market is green, but you have showed us the stock market whereby it's a bit of red there and there. So it's different. In the crypto, we are green. In the stock, we are red. So yeah, look, there are times when these markets move together, and you feel like, okay, these markets are related, but there are times when they differ in movements. So yeah, this is what it is.
Yeah. Okay. No. All right. No, man. That could be it, man. Looking at the market, yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen, and looking forward for the next 24 hours. Let's see what happens. But I do believe that we're gonna be heading for a strong bullish week, and given that support levels and the bullish checkmate that is just for all of these cryptocurrencies, all have bullish checkmates. And the youngest of the bullish checkmates right now is the ADA. If anyone who's a trader could take in an opportunity, jump in. This is a daily chart. It could be days that it can go on a bullish trend as we speak from tonight.
Okay. No, Christopher, thank you so much for viewers. Thank you for coming through. Let me check. I see there are a few comments there. Let me just check the comments. All right. Yes. David Cass says good content, very informative. Thank you so much, sir, for coming through. Please do not be a stranger. We are live every day, 7 p.m. We always here. And of course, tomorrow we've got a guest who's gonna share his life story in the crypto space, in the network space, how he made his millions, how he is accumulating bitcoins. So do not miss our show tomorrow. Make sure that you set the alarm. And the important one, if you want to be involved in the show tomorrow, make sure that you subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go to YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, and then tomorrow, once we have our guest who's gonna be sharing his life story about from being a zero to a hero,
Mm.
from zero to millions. So do not find yourself outside the studio. Then we've got Rhythm Cafe by SD Olis. Oh, yeah, what a name. All right, he says markets are absolutely crazy. Funny, most people still think Ripple is XRP. When XRP is absolutely a decentralized asset that is running independently. Yes, Ripple developed the asset. Oh, yes. He's responding to the discussion that we had about Ripple, and he's on point as well. Thank you so much for that input. What do you say, Stone, about this input?
Well, it's quite informative as well. Ripple XRP is when XRP is absolutely decentralized asset that is running independently. So these coins that we touch on, they all have their own purposes in their projects. Also, you need to clarify some of the differences between the Ripple and the XRP. And of course, that is very much appreciated here at Empire Crypto TV, because we are all about educating and informing, because we are not financial advisors at the end of the days. We are also learning each and every day from them. And that is quite well received as well.
All right, no, great stuff. There we go, guys. By popular demand, this is our Empire Crypto Trading Lab, where we teach our people how to trade. We go straight into the trading world, buying and selling cryptocurrencies, buying and selling different currencies on the crypto space is possible. Of course, so many people know only about just buying and holding. There is another strategy how you can grow your cryptocurrencies. This is called trading. Trading is buying and selling. So yes, our academy is live, where we can teach you how to buy and sell. How to buy and sell. There is the number that you can actually WhatsApp. It's 074 3007. Do get in touch on that number, then inquire about how to be empowered in trading, in analyzing the market, where you get to learn about leverage trading, margin trading, perpetual contracts, peer-to-peer trading, strategies that can actually make you money. You need to have two portfolios, one portfolio for long term, where you are holding your coins, and the other portfolio where you are taking profits on a daily basis. When the market is red, when the market is green, you're taking profits. That's what I've been preaching when I say the markets are red, but there are people who are making money on these red markets, on these bearish markets. So this is what we're talking about, trading, where you can short or go long on the markets. So do get in touch on the number on the screen, and then let's get you empowered in 2022. As I said, 2022 is your year, is our year. Let's make money together. Thank you so much. Let's meet again tomorrow. Do not miss our live broadcast tomorrow at 7 p.m. same time. Thank you so much.